So I wasn't even recording. I wasn't even recording. Let's do this again. Let's do it again. Are you serious? Are you me? I wasn't even recording. Really? 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 What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Latrice. I do all types of hair videos, wigs, natural hair, all that kind of stuff. If you guys have seen my second Amazon Bob video, you guys have seen this wig before. I'll put it right here, like a little picture, like right here. So if you guys have seen my Amazon video, my Amazon wig video, the one where I did the fridge bangs and I chopped the mess out of this hair and it came out flawless and bomb, that's this wig. I will link that in the iCards above so you guys can check that out to see how I got this cut, because that matters. I didn't curl the hair, I really didn't do anything to it. I literally just took it out the box that I had it balled up in. So right now the hair looks a little bit crazy because I had it in the updo style, so it kind of has like this like wavy curl kind of to it, but we're gonna fix that in a second. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get right into how to do the style. This style is so easy. Like, this is probably going to be the quickest. I can't see. If y'all see me looking down, I'm looking at like my phone when I have like a monitor, so that's the reason why I keep looking down and make sure that I'm like in focus and the lighting is okay. But yeah, so this style is super easy. This will be probably the shortest tutorial in the world, like, I kid you not. So all you need for this style is a paddle brush or a comb, whichever you choose, and a hair tie. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm kind of just going to like messy pull the hair back. You can do this neat if you want to, but I like mine kind of a hot mess. I like mine to look kind of messy. I feel like it just works with the way the hair is cut and everything like that. Typically, God, these bangs. Typically, I would just neaten everything out, brush it. I didn't really brush it. I'm like faking it right now because I already did this part. But yeah, so I would just brush it until it's pretty much like neat enough at the top where it doesn't look too crazy, and have it basically like this. Now, I don't have this unit glued down or anything. It's really just sitting on my head because there's bangs, so there's no need, you know, to glue down a lace. Even though it is a lace closure, this is a lace closure, so you can glue it down if you want to. Like, this bangs, it's pretty secure enough for my head, there's really no point. Now, this wig is not glued down or anything. I literally just kind of like have it just like on my head. So I'm just gonna like pull out some hairs. Now, I can't see the best right now, so it probably looks a bit janky, but I literally just pull out just like hairs just to be able to make sure my wig cap will be covered, because this is, it's like, you see my wig cap is so exposed. Now, I could use the clips to like, there we go, camouflage that a little bit, but like, y'all, this is, when I say this is, y'all gonna be like, this is, there was no need for tutorial, you could just told us what you did. But I mean, I don't know, I feel like it's better to show what I'm doing. Now, I don't have a mirror. I'm using my like screen as my mirror, so this is a little difficult. Just a smidge. So you can make it perfect. I don't really care for it to be perfect. It's just not my style. I just care for it to look symmetrical. You know, like the same on both sides. So it's pretty much just a half up, half down, and then I just go in with the brush just to kind of smooth all this out, get rid of this like bump at the top. And I'm doing this very gently because this wig is not secure on my head at all, like at all. So I would leave it just like that. So then I might turn around so you guys can actually see. I'm going to just twist, and I hold it. Actually, I'm gonna use the other hand. So it's easier if I put the scrunchie on this hand actually, now that I think about it. So I'm going to twist, and I hold my index finger in the middle, and I take it and I literally just tie it. Only like, y'all can see what I'm doing. I can't explain it, but I know y'all can see what I'm doing. And make sure just like all the hair is like pulled out at the top to give it that nice like feathered look. Y'all see the little bun? And just have that feathered like that. And then when you turn around, you got a little cockatoo thing going on. And that's pretty much it. I just, you know, I always have more hair on this side left. I don't know why. It never works out evenly where I have like hair distributed evenly. So I always have to like pull some of this hair back. But this is literally how I do it. Of course, you know, zhuzh it to your liking. But this is how I get the hair to kind of like stand up. And if the hair is longer, of course it'll like fall over more. But this is kind of high. I'll put a little lower, but it's okay. Y'all get, y'all get the gist. Y'all get the point. So you want to make sure you have a bob that's long enough to put it in like a ponytail, but still short enough that it's still a bob. This is layered, so I would just say it may be a bit challenging if your hair is layered, or if your wig or whatever you're using this on is layered. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Like I said, usually I would go in and I would bump the bangs, but I don't feel like doing all that right now, so I'm gonna just leave it as is. But this is how I achieve the style. If I had like little chopsticks, I would put like little chopsticks in it. Have like a little, you know, I would put little chopsticks in it, but I don't have any chopsticks. But if you do, I think that would look super cute. But yeah, I kind of like it, having it like messy looking, because it just makes it look a bit more, I don't know, effortless. It gives me kind of like this like rock star chic type of look. I don't know. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried this style. I love hearing when you guys actually try out styles that you guys see on my channel. It really just, it makes my day. If you guys do want to check out this wig, I will link it down in the description box down below. I don't remember how much it retails for. But yeah, if I'll leave everything in the description box down below, as well as the link to the video on how I actually achieve this hair. Yeah, all information on this wig will be linked in the description box down below. This is in no way sponsored. This is just a regular video. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna stop chatting because there's really nothing more else for me to talk about. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Y'all share the video, and I will see you guys in my next video.